Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Melona C. Arancilio. I'm 35 years old, single mom, and one daughter.
How old is she?
My daughter is 70 years old.
Okay, so where are you living right now?
I live in Mindanao, Tacurong, Sultan, Kudarat.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
My brother and sister is 14, 9 girls and 5 boys.
And you are the?
Number 9.
Okay, so you're the 9th child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am. I have worked in Philippines.
Who is your employer?
Mary Grace Palabrica.
How many are them in the family?
4.
How long did you stay in that employer?
3 years.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Clothes, washing, and iron, and cleaning.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Before, because the higher salary.
Okay, so do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Steamed chicken and steamed fish.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you teach to your employer's children?
English and writing and learning.
Can you sing a nursery song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Good employer and nice.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Good and hardworking, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am. I want to go to Hong Kong work because in Filipino working. I'm hard working in Hong Kong.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.